Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT for our coding needs. And these codes can be utilized for your other needs like website or game building or any other application building. And this is how you will be able to utilize ChatGPT for coding. So first of all, open up ChatGPT, and after that you need to type a prompt over here. So in order to type a prompt, you just have to write a code for tic-tac-toe game. After that you need to just hit enter, and as soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will get to its work and give you a code for Python. In case if you want this code to be in C++, then you can simply ask ChatGPT to write this code in C++. And this is how you can use ChatGPT for writing codes, and you can just simply use this code, copy it and paste it wherever you want. So this is how you generate codes on ChatGPT for applications, games, or any other website or anything. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.